Welcome to our site, Young Farts RV Parts. We're the Young Farts. Let me guess, you're looking for a part for one of your RV appliances and you don't exactly know what you need. Well, the most important first step is to actually find the model number of your appliance. Do that before calling, before even looking, because without that number, you're pretty well pooched.
We always need a part number, whether it's the model number of the appliance, we can break it down and find the part number, or the part number of the part for the appliance. As every RVer knows, there's this fancy paper sheet inside a cabinet. You can see how it lists all the appliances and all the appliance part numbers, like the model numbers and stuff. Yeah, this sheet, this is a 1997 trailer. We all know parts break. That thing's probably not very accurate anymore. So what you're actually going to want to do is go to the appliance, look on it. There should be a tag on the appliance itself, whether it's the fridge, the furnace, the water heater. Find the number on the appliance, and that's what's going to help you. So hang in with me, and I'm going to show you how to find the model number on a lot of these main appliances in an RV. Here's the problem, it's not automotive, it's not like a 2003 Honda Civic breakdown. We don't actually have a database on your make, model, VIN, year, so that information just won't help us. The best information you can get is the information on the appliance you're looking for. So for fridges, 99% of the time, if you come around here, Jagger, you see this tag right here? It's gonna supply you with a part number, a serial number, and a model number. Write that model number down, write that serial number down, and for any fridge, that's the number we're going to need to help you find your replacement fridge or the replacement part you need for that fridge. Follow me over here to the converter. A lot of these converters, whether it's like this one, they're all very similar. You flip it down, look at this.
What do you see?
This says model number. This model number here, a serial number, 6300A, power converter. There's also usually a make and model. So like I say, you get us that part and you need a converter or a converter part, awesome. Stoves, you're wondering where the heck is the part number? Well, let me show you a little trick. This thing pops right off. And whoa, what do we have here?
That?
Well, so let me show you. Let me get some light on this. Look at that. A serial number and a model number. You call us and you got that part number, we're going to be best friends and I'm going to get you the part you need. Follow me to some more appliances and let's find some more part numbers. Your AC unit, part number. As you can see, they obviously didn't know about us because they duct taped their vent here. So you're going to come down here, you're going to take this vent off and check this out. What is that there? All the information you need. Product number, serial number, model number. You get that for us? That's awesome. But wait, that's just for the AC unit. If you now come here, this whole ceiling assembly, is there two different parts? So grab all the part numbers you can, give us a shout, tell us what you need, and we're gonna be able to help you. Welcome to outside the unit. So here we got a hot water heater. Maybe wondering, what kind do I have? Well, lo and behold, check this out. There's a model number, a serial number. If you give us a call and you have that number, we're gonna be able to find this exact water heater or any part you need for it. Follow me to the furnace. Now, some furnaces are tricky. Some you can access from the outside, and some you gotta get from the inside. But like I say, every model number and every part number is on the units themselves. So we're gonna drop this furnace down. Nice, easy access. Beautiful. There's nothing. Oh, what is this? Sometimes you gotta look a little harder. Check that out. There's a bunch of part numbers. This one's Sharpied, so now we know it's an 8525-III furnace. Awesome. We can get you the parts you need. Now here's the thing. This goes for everything. You might have a slide on your unit, the motor's shot. Well, guess where you're going to find the part number? On that motor. You might have landing legs. They might have a motor that's giving you grief. You want a new motor? Look on the motor. It's going to have a part number. Get us that part number, and when you call, we should be able to help you find it. Toilets. We all need them. We all use them. It's better than the bush. Now yours might be broken, and we're fortunate enough to have this one pulled out. If you're looking at replacing your toilet, right here on the front of it, there's a model number. But that's not the case for every toilet. It might be on the back. It might be on the side. You never know. Look for that model number, and that's the toilet you're going to need to replace.
So what did we learn? What did we learn, Dawson?
Well, Jagger, I learned how to find the right part number and model number for the part I'm looking for so that when I call us, We know exactly what you need.
Makes it a lot easier. And
Really
what we
does.
also learned is that calling with your year, make, and model of your entire trailer, it just does not help us. It does not help anybody. I wish it did. It'd make our lives a heck of a lot easier. But until that day, get us your model number, get us your serial number, and we'll find the parts better than anyone else.